Now to prevent what is calling a tidal wave of cancer.
A BBC investigation has revealed that most local authorities in England are paying less than the minimum recommended amount for personal home care.
Now let's catch up on the weather. And here's Carol.
Thank you, Billy. Good morning. I must say I'm looking forward to the day when I can stand here and say it's going to be dry, it's going to be sunny and it's going to be warm. But that day is not today. It's going to be sunny later on for some of us, but it won't be warm. It's not a warm start to the day. Watch out for ice in untreated surfaces, especially in the southwest. And even as we go through the rest of this week, it is going to remain windy with further spells of rain. Now, we've got rain crossing us at the moment. You can see the cloud associated with it. Behind it, these clearer skies come in with a few showers, but it's this beastie in the Atlantic that's going to be particularly vigorous, bringing in some heavy rain and strong winds later. So this morning, we still have this arc of rain across northern England, central and eastern Scotland, depositing some snow on the hills. It's a cold start as well. And then as we come further south, for Northern Ireland at 8 o'clock in the morning, it's going to be fairly cloudy, it's going to be cold. Across the north of England, the rain will continue to push off into the North Sea, but you can see a rash of showers along the Irish Sea coasts, even coming inland as well. We've also got some showers coming off the English Channel too. Not all of us catching them, but if you do, well, it could prove to be heavy and thundery with some hail. But equally, initially, there'll be some brighter skies around. Now, through the course of the day, that rain in the northeast will slowly move away from mainland Scotland, pushing up into the Northern Isles. The cloud will break. We'll see some sunshine. Still one or two showers and still the chance on the tops of the hills they could be wintry. But it's this next system we're watching coming in. Now, this is going to introduce heavy rain and also strong winds, gales, even severe gales with exposure as it continues to move northwards. It's an area of low pressure, if anything, a very vigorous area of low pressure too. If you're into meteorology, the pressure is likely to fall into the mid-940s. And here it is, as it advances tomorrow, pushing steadily northeastwards. You can see from the squeeze on those isobars, once again, it is going to be particularly windy. So looking at the forecast for Wednesday, here's our centre of low pressure. Everything, as I mentioned, rotating around it. Some of those showers of rain will be heavy, but it's the wind that really will be a feature, gusting 60 to 70 miles an hour along these coastlines. And in the southwest, the headlands particularly, it could well be 70 to 80. Now, it's a westerly wind, so it really is going to be whipping up as it comes across through the English Channel. And again, with those showers, it's not a pretty combination. As we head into Thursday, a bit of a respite initially, but then through the course of the day, you can already see what's happening. We've got more rain sweeping up across the English Channel and the Channel Islands, moving into southern counties and heading a little bit further north. And we're not finished with the rain even through Thursday, because it looks like Friday into Saturday particularly, once again, it's going to be very wet and very windy. So this weather at the moment is pretty relentless, Billy and Lou.
Oh dear.
We've been saying it for days, perhaps weeks, Carol, but thank you very much. Thank you.
Let's take a quick look at some of the front pages. The Guardian leading on the cancer story.